Now all of your numbers are appearing on the same line. This will not work for creating a pyramid. You will need to add a new line to each row. However, pressing the return key to insert a line break between quotes in JavaScript will result in a parsing error. Parsing error means that the code you've written or that has been written is not being correctly interpreted by the program. So the program does not understood the code. Instead, you need to use the special escape sequence, which is this one, as it interprets a new line when the string is logged. So we have an example here. A line 1 assigned to the result of the line 1 concatenated with a special sequence, and then the line 2. So you're tasked to use a second addition operator to append, or let's say combine, a new line after the existing result value and the added row value. Okay, excuse me. So all we have to do is just add this one. Add here and then concatenate the value of row. So let's revert it back up. So if we add the special escape sequence, which is this one, what it does is that it will represent each of these in a new line. So 0 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you do that, it will become like this. So 0 in its independent line, 1 in its line. Yeah. The point is, each value will be represented in a new line, each of them. So that would be it. Oops. Sorry, your code is not passed. You should concatenate your row variable to the result variable. What? Line 1. Oh, okay. Wait. What was the task? Use a second addition operator to append a new line after the existing result and the added row value. And then the error says you should concatenate your row variable to your result variable. So let's try to add it here. Yeah, I guess that would be the correct one, because in this part we added the value of row to the result variable with each value represented in a new line, because we had concatenated the special escape sequence, which is this one. So going back, if we do this one rather than the correct one, what it does is that the value of the result will be, the new line. Yeah, I give up. It's 3 a.m. in the morning.